Hi everyone, for today's video I'm gonna set up the basic KYC for my PlanetWatch account because I'm gonna be receiving the Sense Edge Mini sometime this week. So in order for me to start earning Planet tokens, one of the requirement is setting up your KYC. So I'm gonna be going through that process and showing you how to do it. The KYC link is only available under the Explorer tab. So if you have a webcam, you can do it in your PC. But since I don't have a webcam, I'm gonna be using my phone. So from your phone, you can go to your PlanetWatch app, or you can go directly to explorer.planetwatch.io. So I'm gonna show you. If you're already in your app, if you look at the bottom of the app, you have the Learn button right there. So just click on that, and then here you can see the PlanetWatch Explorer. So just click on that. So it might ask you to log in again, but if you are already logged in, then it's good. So all you have to do is just click on this three bars right here, and you'll see my verification. So that my verification is only going to show if you have a license purchase. That's what I understand. So if you don't have a license purchase yet, the my verification icon may not show. So if that's not the case, please comment down below if you can see it without a license. But from my understanding, you need to have a license first before the my verification KYC will show up. So let me go ahead and click on that. Now it'll take me to basic PlanetWatch KYC, or you have an advanced. So advanced is if you hold more than 5 licenses. I think for advanced you have ID, I'm not sure what liveness is, phone, and residency. So for the basic, it doesn't have the residency information. So let me go ahead and start it. Start with Synapse. Okay, so I'm gonna go verify with Synapse. So now verify identity, start verification. First is scan your face, ID document, and phone number. So I'm gonna start verification. I'm gonna start scanning my face. Okay, so you're not gonna see that, so I'm just gonna see scan face, and it's gonna camera permission required. We cannot access your camera. Please grant access from your browser. I'm gonna say grant permission until I close this app. Okay, then let me go ahead and scan my face. Okay, so it opens this full screen selfie mode, and I'm gonna open full screen and then start scanning my face. Okay, so you see that? So let me go ahead and scan my face. Okay, so select a document, and then you have different documents that you can use. So you have passport, national ID, driver's license, or residence permit. So for me, I'm gonna do driver's license. So I'm gonna click on driver's license. And here it shows that you can capture the front of your driver's license, or you can upload it. So let me go ahead and scan my driver's license and get back to you. Okay, so the system asked me to take a picture of the front and the back of my driver's license. So now the document is submitted. I'll just click continue. And that's pending verification. So I'm gonna continue with verification. That's gonna be with my phone number. Okay, so select the country calling code. Basically, it's gonna be United States. So let me go ahead and put my phone number. And I should receive a text right about now. So I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna put it right here. Now it says verified. So now I've submitted my selfie picture, my ID document, and my phone number. So I'm not sure how long it will take them to verify the ID that I submitted. So that's how you set up the KYC for PlanetWatch. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.